Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We had some mechanical problems with our shop, Indian Chieftain, and local dealer couldn't fix it. Won't get into it. It's been a 2-year back and forth ordeal, but I'm shipping it down to my man Brandon at Davidson Audio. He's got a relationship with the dealer by him, so he's going to take care of the bike mechanically, and then we're actually doing NVS Audio Stage 5. He's going to be doing the install using all NVS Audio speakers, woofers, and amplifiers. We're collaborating on this build. Check it out. So she's off to Davidson Audio today. We'll check back in a week or two. Brandon's going to be adding a tour pack. I think we're going to be going with 8-inch lids. The bag's going to be sealed and ported. We're doing NVS Audio 8s on the lid, NVS Audio 10s in the bags, and we're doing 5 1/4s in the front. That's the initial. We're going to do a 3000.1 in the tour pack, lithium battery, and I'm not sure what he's going to go with in the front. So this can be an exciting project. I'm going to keep you guys posted. She's on her way down there today. So she's on her way to Florida. Next time you see her should be at the Audio Solutions Show in Mississippi. That's going to be in April. So if everything works out as planned, you'll be able to see this bike in April, Mississippi, Wayne Shop, Audio Solutions. Let's see if we can get her done.
All right, so this is a exciting video for us. This is actually a collaboration with another mentor of mine, a friend of mine, and a killer guy that has an awesome channel on here as well. So let's get into it. All right, so we have haul bikes here because our good friends up at NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey had issues with his 19, he's a Chieftain. So had some issues with it. The local dealership up there couldn't get it handled. We're not going to get into those details. I'm not trying to say anything negative about the dealership. They weren't able to get it squared away. So after him and I were talking, he has an event down here in a couple of months. So I was like, dude, my dealership here in Panama City, they're killer. I was like, how about you ship the bike down here? You let us build the bike with your equipment and wiring, and then we'll meet up in Louisiana for the event. And he's like, okay. So we booked the shipping here at Haul Bike. We've used them to ship our bikes. Do you remember our video from Tucson, Arizona to here? So there she is. That beautiful black smoke Chieftain. The gentleman's unloading it. So anyways, Haul Bike. We've used them before. If you saw our video when we left Tucson to move back here to Panama City, Haul Bikes hooked us up to get both of our bikes shipped here. When I mean hooked us up, they didn't give us a discount or anything, but they took care of the entire process for that one. They loaded up our bikes as the same driver from there. A couple days later, it was here before the holidays. So huge shout out to Haul Bike. We love using them. Their customer service is great. The pricing's great. So absolutely love using them. But let's go ahead and get this bike unloaded, and then we're gonna get it loaded on the trailer. We're taking it right over to Panama City, Indian, to go visit the crew over there and let them get into it. Yeah, beautiful color. So now we got 2 Dark Horse Chieftains up in the house. Man, I can't wait to get this thing built. This is going to be a beast. Y'all stay tuned on this one. All right, we have this beautiful bike all loaded up, and another big shout out to my boy Farhat, owner of Adrenaline Rush Motorsports, for letting us use his truck and trailer to get this beautiful Indian Chieftain to the dealership. So let's go ahead over to the dealership and go see the cool folks over there. All right, so we have the 19 Chieftain here. We got the crew over here at Panama City, Indian. We got Kyle on it. He's already diagnosed most of it, so he's going to continue digging into this. There was a couple of connections, and I'll go into detail later on why I'm such an advocate for not using your probes to stab into wires and connections. You really need the proper tools to do that, because we were trying to read it and one of the connector pins was already wadded out. That's one of the biggest reasons why I do not use probes to just cram them into connectors. It makes a big mess. So we're leaving the bike with them. It's already here. It's already torn apart. They're getting right on it. So I would not be surprised if in the next week or two we have it back to the shop and start the audio install. So again, huge shout out to the crew over here at Indian Motorcycles of Panama City Beach. If you need your bike done, make sure to check them out. If you want to buy a bike or get your bike worked on, they will take care of you. So that's it for this video. We're going to leave the bike here, and then next time you'll see us picking it up, taking it to the shop, and start the audio build, which is a collaboration between myself and NVS Audio. So stay tuned for that video.